Life has a way of blindsiding us. One moment we're cruising along. The next we're hit by a freight train of adversity. It's raw, it's real, it's painful, but here's the truth. It's also an opportunity to grow, to evolve, to become stronger than you ever imagined possible. People at their lowest point, shattered dreams, broken relationships, financial ruin, health crises. It feels like the end, but it's not. It's the beginning of your transformation. When life shatters you, it's forcing you to wake up, to reassess, to dig deep and find strength you never knew you had. We can let it break us, or we can use it as fuel to rebuild ourselves into something even more magnificent. Remember, the Japanese art of kintsugi takes broken pottery and repairs it with gold. The result, something more beautiful and valuable than before. That's you. Your cracks, your breaks, they're not your weakness. They're where your light shines through. They're what make you unique, resilient, and ultimately unbreakable. When life hits you hard, it's normal to feel a whirlwind of emotions. Anger, fear, despair, confusion. These feelings crash over you like waves in a storm. Don't fight the waves, ride them, feel each emotion fully, then let it pass. Suppressing emotions isn't strength. True strength is facing them head on. It's okay to cry, scream, or feel lost. These are all part of the healing process. Feel your emotions, but don't let them define you. Remember, every storm eventually passes. Be kind to yourself. Practice self-compassion. Take small steps forward each day. You are resilient. Let me tell you about Sarah. She lost everything in a house fire. Her home, her possessions, even her beloved pet. She was devastated, but instead of giving up, she used this tragedy as a catalyst for change. She started a non-profit organization helping other fire victims. Today, she's impacted thousands of lives. Her pain became her purpose. Or consider John, a successful executive who was suddenly laid off at 50. He felt worthless, lost. But he used this setback to pursue his lifelong dream of becoming a teacher. Now at 55, he's changing young lives every day. He often says his layoff was the best thing that ever happened to him. These stories aren't rare, they're everywhere. The single mum who went from homeless to Harvard. The athlete who lost his legs but won Olympic gold. The entrepreneur who failed a dozen times before creating $1 billion company. They all have one thing in common. They refuse to let their circumstances define them. Section 4. The power of positivity, rewiring your mind. Your mind is your most powerful tool. It can be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. When life shatters you, your thoughts can either lift you up or drag you down. The choice is yours. And yes, it is a choice. Focus on possibilities rather than problems. Believe in your ability to overcome, even when the odds seem stacked against you. Positivity is a skill. Like any skill, it takes practice. Start small. Each morning, think of 3 things you're grateful for. Replace negative thoughts with empowering ones. Keep at it. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. Believe you have the strength to rise above any challenge. Choose wisely. Plant seeds of hope, resilience, and determination. Section 5. Building unbreakable resilience, your armor against life's blows. Resilience isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. It's a muscle you strengthen through every challenge you face. And here's the beautiful thing, the more you use it, the stronger it gets. Every setback, every failure, every heartbreak, they're all opportunities to build your resilience muscle. So how do you build resilience? First, embrace change. The only constant in life is change. The more comfortable you become with uncertainty, the more resilient you'll be. Second, develop a growth mindset. See challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, not as threats. Third, build strong connections. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you. Fourth, take care of yourself. Your physical health directly impacts your mental resilience. Eat well, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, meditate. These aren't luxuries, they're necessities. They're the foundation of your resilience. Fifth, set goals and take action towards them. Having a sense of purpose gives you strength to push through tough times. Lastly, learn from your experiences. After each challenge, take time to reflect. What did you learn? How did you grow? What would you do differently next time? This reflection turns adversity into wisdom. It transforms your wounds into wisdom. Embracing your new strength. As we come to the end of our journey, you're stronger, wiser, more resilient. Challenges have forged you into something powerful. You're still here, still fighting. Proof of your incredible strength. Embrace this unshakable version of yourself. Your scars are badges of honor. You are unbreakable. What's next? The world is waiting for your unique gifts. Inspire others with your story. Now it's time to soar.